friends.
Making friends. We are hiking to see some waterfalls. Now you put the tunes in. Don't go chasing waterfalls.
That's copyrighted, I can't use that one.
Oh.
We're going on a walk that's called the Four Waterfalls Walk. And guess what it has?
Waterfalls! Woo!
No, giant bears.
We don't have bears in this country though.
Located in the Brecon Beacons, or Pannwr as it's now known, this is a popular 5-mile hike through incredible woodlands that follows the River Hepste, encompassing 4 mesmerising waterfalls, culminating in the most famous of all, Sgwd Eira, a waterfall you can walk behind. We've been on this walk quite a lot actually.
Yeah.
On Verdi, there are 2 different car parks you can go from, and this is the first time I've managed to get into this smaller car park. We all seem to arrive too late to get into this car park, but today we arrived early enough, which is great. So come and join us as we explore this beautiful area of South Wales. This is such a beautiful day today.
So lovely. It's warm but not too warm. It's slightly breezy but not breezy. It's just perfect hiking weather, like literally perfect. But it is the last nice day of the year, so
yeah.
Then it's gonna go meh for like the next 6 months.
Meh and below.
Meh and below meh.
The thing I really like about this walk is not only are there like 4 waterfalls, but the last waterfall you actually be able to get to walk behind. This is the problem with walking with a photographer, is you have to stop like every 50 metres because she's found some interesting berries you want to take a photo of, or a bit of moss that she likes.
The moss is pretty. Look how pretty that is.
It's so tranquil at the moment, isn't it? Yeah. You can just sit and listen to that for like ages.
It's so beautiful. Like, it's green and it's damp and it's just lovely. Basically, you just come here and you'll see for yourself.
So we reached the point where the 2 paths meet.
Checkpoint!
So we came from that way. If you come from the other car park, you come from down that way. First waterfall is in that direction, and it's called, oh god, everyone in Wales is going to hate me for this. Sgwd Clun-gwyn.
I think.
No, I don't think. I know it's wrong, but I don't know how to pronounce it properly. I apologise to all of my Welsh friends.
There's people up next to the waterfalls, gives you a bit of perspective of how big these falls are, and also they're actually quite empty right now because they haven't had rain for a couple of weeks. So
yeah, we've been here before just after like a massive shower, like big rainstorm, and where they're standing was literally the waterfalls.
Yeah, it was that whole bit, which is interesting and cool. Soft now. You see that?
Alright, well we wanted to take you down this footpath here, but as of a month ago they closed it off due to erosion.
Fear of death if people walk on it.
Yeah, we'll have to take the long way. What's for lunch? Well, I know what's for lunch because I made the sandwiches.
Ham, cheese, lettuce. Now to discuss our pet naked bars. We call these guys our pet naked bars because they have literally been on every hike with us. Not that we take new ones along every time, but as in we go hiking, we pack them in the bag and then we come home and we put them back in the drawer where they belong. So they've been everywhere. They've been up Ben Nevis, they've been on this waterfall hike, I think this is their 4th one. They've travelled. Oh, theirs expired. Not too badly, only like 2 months ago. This one expired a year ago. Oops.
We're going to do like a Ashens type video, eating expired food.
Well, I mean, you can see the chocolate has been melted and then
Alright, go on then.
Tastes a bit stale.
Yeah. Yeah,
Not bad,
I don't think I want to eat any more of that. It's got a weird aftertaste.
I'll stop now.
Let's not eat that and then go on a big hike. You used to be able to go through that gap there, but that's the bit that blocked off, so in order to get to the second waterfall you've got to go all the way down here and around past the third waterfall and get back to the second. Bit of a longer walk, but we'll do it. This track's definitely been maintained recently.
Yes.
These are slippy. You're making friends.
Making friends.
Remember in our San Francisco video where we went to see the redwoods and we said that it was so tame because we used to everything being a bit more rugged. This, got my camera caught on a tree there, this is exactly the sort of thing we were talking about. So this is actually the 3rd waterfall, which is the second one we've reached today, called Sgwd Pannwr. Again, I apologise to every Welsh speaker because that's definitely wrong. And like I said, this is the one where people can swim in. You can actually dive from the cliff top. Maybe dive is the wrong word, but jump. You can jump from there, but I wouldn't recommend doing that unless you actually know what you're doing, because you never know how deep the water's going to be. So. That way. Probably shouldn't be climbing this whilst holding the camera, but I am. I think that's part of it. Oh, that was a struggle. Number 2. Turn. Oh, I'm so warm now, I just want to jump in that, but firstly it's dangerous, secondly I haven't got a swimsuit, so I'm not going to, but I'm really, oh, it's so tempting. That's 3 waterfalls down, 1 more to go. And the last one is the big headline grabbing one, which is also got a name I can't pronounce, but it's the one you can walk behind, so the one that everyone looks forward to.
Well, we gotta go up that thing again.
Gotta go up and then down.
And then down. Oh.
Yeah, this is a strenuous hike. It's not an easy one. Unfit. I do genuinely feel like I conquered Ben Nevis, and then I was like, I don't have to do any more exercise for the rest of my life.
That's not how it works.
I know that's not how it works. That's clearly what subconsciously in my head. I thought I made it back to the main path, and now off to the fourth waterfall. And I am exhausted already.
This is, you know, all those evenings where I go to the gym and I do like step up with weights on my feet.
And I just sit on
and
the
you just
sofa
sit on the
watching
sofa
TikTok.
watching TikTok. I win! Yes!
I mean, I'm still here.
And that is true.
I mean, I'm not as bad as you, failing to reach the top. I know it's not a competition or anything.
Hand back in your millies, baby.
Stop being rude in South African. I don't know if you can hear that, but the final waterfall is just down there somewhere. When I say down there, I mean really down. There's a lot of steps. So Sgwd Eira. Let's go.
I call that air.
Yeah,
Air?
fine. I'm sure many people will correct us down in the comments. Whoops! You alright?
Yeah. I landed on my butt, not my wrist. Which is good. Good thing I got lots of padding.
You're not going to let them use that in the final edit, are you?
It depends on how it looks.
Now it's starting to get very, very foggy right now. But we're almost at the bottom. It's just about to start to make out the waterfall through the trees now. It's pretty full. Lots of warning signs here, but as long as you're sensible, you should be perfectly fine. Wear sensible shoes and don't do anything stupid like make your glasses fall off your head. So much cooler in the splash zone.
So good. It's just so lovely.
So because we're going behind the waterfall, I put my other camera away because I don't want it getting wet. So I'm on the GoPro. So I apologise if the sound isn't as good. Ooh, it's getting wet. I'm going to walk all the way through now. Tastes alright. Oh my god, we actually have the entire area to ourselves right now. Every time I've been here it's been full of people. So we seem to have oh damn, there's other people there already. Oh well, we had it to ourselves for about 20 seconds.
I was breathing.
count 57 steps so far.
Okay. I also want to just mention that we were there alone for a long time and we left and then literally 50 people arrived.
Yeah, like a school party.
Yeah.
I'll just meet you at the top. Last little bit. So the benches aren't occupied. Should have a naked bar. When did this go off? Oh, it's so old you can't even see the best of board date and what's rubbed off.
Yeah. Tastes fine.
It's a very yummy peck. Oh, quite an enjoyable walk actually.
We are nowhere near the car. We're like 3 miles from the car.
I'm going to put a link down in the description so that you can see where things are, where the car park is and things like that.
And what we've done today.
And all the information, so if you are going to do it, make sure you wear appropriate footwear and things like that. We saw some people today who are just wearing like trainers or Converse, which is not appropriate.
That's not appropriate. I mean, it's so slippy in areas. It's just like not like just don't do that.
Proper walking boots.
Yeah. I feel like we'll be doing more hikes.
Yeah, I think so. Let us know if that's something you want to see on the channel. We live in like Brecon Beacons, or what's it called now? The Welsh version of it? Brecon or something, I think it's called. Well, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you later. Bye.